Morning, guys. Happy Sunday to everybody. Next Level Pigeon Loft. I'm here in my breeder section where all the foundation has started. I'm gonna show you guys a few of my gray birds. This one stays all the way behind to the third section so they won't fly out. Check it out. For example, this female right here, she's a champion from I believe 350 miles, and then it's paired up with this cock here. So yeah, you guys seen a few of my foundation birds. These come from many different champion top winners, like I would say pigeon owners that have been racing for more than 30 years. So I have it all mixed right now, but soon I'm gonna do 2 cages, make so I can put males and females to start separating them because I can't have them breed all year. Happy Sunday, guys. Till next time.